Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GIT Resolution, and this is your host. In this video, I will show you how you can increase virtual RAM on your Windows 11. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, right click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Now click on System and scroll down here. Now click on About. Now click on Advanced System Settings. Now click on Advanced tab and in the Performance option, click on Settings. Now again click on Advanced tab. Now click on Change. And from here, uncheck this option, Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Now select this option, Custom Size. And now you have to enter the value in MBs which you want to use as a virtual RAM on your PC. For example, 1 GB RAM is equal to 1024 MB. I am going to increase my virtual RAM to 32 GB. To calculate the value, open calculator. Now calculate the value here. 32 GB multiply 1024. The value will be 32768. Now close the calculator. Now type the value here, 32768. Same, type here, 32768. Now click on Set. Now click on OK. And now it is asking to restart your computer to take effect. Click on OK. Now click on Apply here. Now click on OK here. Now again click on OK here. If you want to restart your computer now, then click on Restart Now. Else click on Restart Later. I will restart my computer later, so I will click on Restart Later. So friend, this is the basic trick to increase your virtual RAM on your PC. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.